and welcome to this Kanoa Learn video on data and analytics. There are two main topics that we are going to talk about today. First, we are going to explore the general principles on how you can be transforming raw manufacturing data into actionable insights that drive improvements and innovation in your operations. We are also going to talk about how Kanoa MES is intentionally designed to help make that conversion of raw data into actionable insights as seamless and easy as possible. So what is the point of collecting all this manufacturing data if we aren't actually going to use it? We have seen plenty of manufacturers who have a huge amount of data, but they are frustrated that they aren't getting any value from that data. And we at Kanoa believe that this framework kind of explains what is happening here. The DIKW model for knowledge management describes 4 stages of maturity: data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. For example, and in a manufacturing context, we might get a signal from our PLC indicating an e-stop has been pressed, which could be an incredibly important safety issue that we need to address. But if we know that we are running maintenance during that time, there's a good chance that this could just be routine, and that knowledge is giving us the wisdom to know that there isn't an issue here and that we don't need to go ahead and take a specific action. This comes up a lot when we talk about measuring and monitoring downtime. We have seen plenty of OEE systems that get installed only to say that your number one cause of downtime is unspecified downtime. Sure, that's better than nothing, and it can help to give you an availability metric for OEE, but it really is difficult to drive continuous improvement without more information. So to truly address this issue, you really need machines or operators to be coding those downtime events so that you can explain why the line stopped and apply the appropriate fix. Inventory shortages are going to require a very different solution than a jammed pulley or not having the right personnel to even run the equipment. We've seen a lot of change over the years in how production insights are actually compiled and delivered. Emailed PDF reports should not be the goal of your digital transformation. You can and should expect more. By implementing a modern MES, the goal should be that everybody has access to the data and insights that they need on demand. These emailed reports tend to get ignored and not actually drive action. The idea of an MES is that we are giving you a new tool. The tool is only useful if you use it. So take this new MES and the smart manufacturing platform and go use it to solve problems, drive down costs, and optimize your process. Kanoa MES is built on and for Inductive Automation's Ignition platform. Ignition is great at connecting a variety of manufacturing and business applications, making it the perfect data hub for Kanoa MES. Ignition has some great options for visualizing data right there in the platform. I personally am a big fan of Apex Charts, a module that Travis Cox has published at GitHub, and recommend that you go ahead and check that out and can download it for free. While Ignition has a lot of great tools to help you visualize and understand your data there in the platform, there are a lot of other powerful and interesting analytics tools available in the market today, and we want to give you the flexibility to integrate data directly into those platforms. So whether you need your data in Tableau, Power BI, SSRS, MATLAB, Minitab, or something else, you're going to have access to all of your Kanoa MES data through our open database. This is really important for establishing a single source of truth and making sure that everyone is using the same data as they work to create their knowledge and wisdom. All of this culminates into Kanoa's data by design philosophy. Kanoa MES is designed to generate and deliver data quickly, efficiently, and correctly. We want our data to be easy to access, understand, and use so that your team can shift their focus from crunching numbers to driving change. And this data by design philosophy starts with the Kanoa MES database. Our database schema is designed following the first normal form pattern. This structure provides the smallest footprint by ensuring that no data is duplicated, and that in itself guarantees data integrity by avoiding inconsistent data across row and aggregate data tables. All data is constructed using primary and foreign key relationships. That further ensures integrity by preventing orphaned records. Since we link records using integers, Kanoa MES delivers critically fast queries using built-in table indices and binary tree search algorithms. In addition, we've further optimized the database by tuning it against the most common long-running queries, using the information gained to construct additional indices to allow even faster record retrieval. Look, for most users, this data management is all in the background, and you're just able to access the data you need when you need it in a way that makes sense for you. But if you are a systems integrator or an MES engineer looking to extend your Kanoa MES and create more custom reports, we hope this background helps you to understand how to do that effectively. Now, do remember, Kanoa is always adding in new dashboards and reports to our out-of-the-box solution, and if for some reason these screens aren't meeting your requirements, they can serve as a great starting point, as you can reference our work and just override that in your Ignition project and start from a screen that you know is close to what you're going to need. That wraps it up for this video on the Kanoa MES database and analytics structure. Hopefully you learned more about how to leverage the data you already have, how Kanoa MES can support your manufacturing data ecosystem, and how you can extend and expand Kanoa to address your information and analytics needs. If you like what you're seeing, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember, you can always check out our website, kanoa.ai, to schedule a demo and to get all of the information that you need to get Kanoa MES into your factory. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.